Hold on, guys. Yo, guys, Sydney everything here, and today we're playing on one block. One block. Minecraft. What?
Not jumping.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay.
I talked to your brother. I'm sorry.
Okay, whoa, I'm playing one block. Whoa. Never played one block before. Like Slogo Man, Sunday, Craner, Jelly, everybody. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna have to mind it. I don't, there's no stone. I'm gonna have to, like, mine it. This might be a series. Yeah, this is gonna be a series. This is another series. So, my Minecraft Java, no, it's one, now it was Xbox Minecraft, now this. Okay, I think after cobblestone. What? Oh my god, cow, move! Thank you. Oh my god, cow, move! Ah! Okay, good. I got some stone.
Find door now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go grab it. Grab it, guys. I'm gonna grab it. Guys. Okay, now I think we're gonna have to mine this because I don't have enough cobblestone. Oh. I know this is gonna get a lot of views. Trust me. Whoa. I might do some stuff off camera, by the way, guys. So probably next episode, if you see something different, is because I did some stuff off cam. But it's my first time doing one block. Oh, go. Yes. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna stop digging, and this is gonna be my start off the one block server. Oh, what did I do? I fell. I lost all my items. Respawn. What? You keep all your items? I can't see. Oh. Guys, I can't see anything. I'm funny. I'm just funny. Perfect. Okay, let me grab all of this right here. The crafting table like this. Whew, perfect. And so if I crouch with shift and press, if you guys are new to the channel, remember to subscribe, or you'll be stuck on one block forever. But this is a nightmare. This is a really nightmare. Alright, go like this. Okay. Okay, I put wood in slabs. I think slabs are way more easier. Okay. Okay. So, I think if I press it right. Whoa, pig, get off. Thank you. Get off the island. Actually, we can put dirt on this island. Forget it. Shift W. I'm scared. Diamond OG. Whew. Okay, right here. One block is my new series. I'm excited. Guys, I'm gonna go on for about like 10 episodes for this. The Minecraft for the Xbox Minecraft is probably gonna be about like 3 episodes. No, it's gonna be, so in total that's gonna be about like 11 episodes. And the my restaurant is gonna be 8. No, it's gonna be 9. No, oh, it's gonna be 10 series now. So now we're gonna dig until we got cobblestone, because we need cobblestone. Okay, dirt, 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 wood. Perfect, perfect. Give me wood. Give me wood. Give me wood. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Ooh, dirt. Dirt.
Oh, I did it.
Villager, sorry. I don't have no room for you, but probably for the second episode, probably the third episode, probably gonna have villagers stuff, better stuff. Ooh. Oh, this is so annoying. I have the mine. Oh, perfect. Yay, give me the cobblestone now. Bigger upgrade. Perfect upgrade, perfect upgrade, perfect upgrade, perfect upgrade, perfect upgrade. And I'm gonna make a cobblestone. A stone pickaxe. Amara, look, I'm playing Minecraft.
Hey!
I'm not sure.
Let you pay it free?
No, it's $26.
You pay $26 to play it?
Yeah.
It's a new game? Gotta be a new game if you pay that much.
No,
It got to be. I'm telling you.
no, it's an old game.
You gotta pay $26 to play it? Old one?
I just made it!
You did? Let me see.
Yeah, just made
By the way, that's my grandpa.
See, right, he gave us a thumb up.
Go.
Right, his brothers gave us and Thomas Wiscott gave us a thumb on our video thing right here.
Chicken, get off my...
Oh, I'm sorry, Nemo.
That's okay.
We got 3 views so far, Nemo,
Oh.
on my thing.
Oh, chicken! I killed the chicken. Sorry, chicken. Chicken!
Oh, it said Coleman family. Thank you, Nemo. You did do it. It said Coleman family. We got so far, Raheem and his brother, and somebody else in James. Yeah, we're doing good. Thank you.
Oh my God!
We got high.
just made it!
You got high. I got high score here, Nemo.
Just in the finish line.
Okay, guys, I got ladders. Why do I need ladders?
Let me see. Let me see.
Guys, I might build it up off camera. I might build other stuff.
Ooh, he got that.
Hit by the ball.
Okay, let me get an axe. As you guys might be like, Nino, why you haven't got an axe yet? Because I forgot that they had axes. Guys, can I ask you a question? You know I'm excellent at these videos. You know I don't know, I just ran out of
You made it,
jokes.
you gonna make it?
You know, I always
Ooh, we did make it.
light up your day.
Ooh, he's the only one that made it?
Oh my God, I'm too cheesy.
Oh, he 2 of them made it.
I'm Woody.
Oh, all right.
I'm Woody to meet you.
Wow.
Come
Real
on.
nigga, huh?
Leave a like every time.
Ooh, he got hit.
Leave a like every time. If you don't want like my brother, like every time when I make a video, he's either listening to Slogoman or someone else. If you don't want your brother to do that, hit that subscribe button. Ooh, 2 hit.
Not made it.
Go.
I just got under that at
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah, the copy.
What's that? Mine.
Bye.
Sorry about that, guys. That's copyrighted. Amaro, turn it off. It's copyrighted. It's copyrighted on YouTube.
What is?
You know how I'm making a YouTube video and Amaro's playing a song?
Yeah.
It's actually, I don't have rights to that song to play in the thing, so It's copyrighted.
Oh, so you gotta cut it off?
Yeah, Mario, cut it.
Yeah, cut it off right now till you pick it. You won't get your brother in trouble, okay?
Okay.
Don't.
Yeah.
Remember to follow me on TikTok, YouTube. Ow, my wrist.
Wait, is that sweet player's eye?
Yeah, no, he talking about God.
Oh.
Ooh.
Something good. Yeah, you gotta go to the living room and play that, okay? Before you won't get in trouble. Thank you.
Amara, I'll tell you when you come back in here. Okay, this. I have a lot of wood. Cobblestone. Wood. Chicken, get off of my map. Is that chicken? No, 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 no. I have $100. I think I should buy something. I have $100. No, next episode I'm gonna buy something. Shift. I'm gonna. Ow, my wrist hurts. Stop. Okay, my wrist hurts from doing this. Perfect. I got it. Ooh, perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh my god. I don't know which one's the one block. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna have to do something like this. Right here. Right here. And actually, I'm gonna have to press shift. No, I'm gonna have to walk over. Press shift. No, walk over more. Perfect. And so, no, I didn't want to mine it. Guys, tomorrow there's gonna be a video coming out because it's Elijah's birthday, and I think he deserves a video. If you guys want to say happy birthday to him tomorrow, remember, always every time when it's someone's birthday, the only way you can say happy birthday is to them is if you subscribe. Okay, let's just get. Oh, go. Go. Okay. Ooh, perfect. So I can know. Okay, right. Oh, I should put I'm just gonna mine here. Oh, diamond! No! I can never. Actually, guys, since I have $100, let me go back. No, I think it's this. Go back to the hub. I'm gonna go hub. I'm gonna go to the hub. Hub. I don't know how to spell it. Hub. I don't know. I wanna go back to lobby. I wanna go back to the lobby. Lobby, right here. Lobby. Go back to the lobby. Okay. Can you just buy something Can't you just buy something from item shop? You can. Look how ugly he looks. Here. Ooh. How much is one? I want one. Okay, 13. I'll buy it. stack, a stack, a stack. No, I want